Ooh. When's the last time y'all saw me? Alright y'all, so I look a mess right now because I'm about to be 7 months locked and I need a fresh retie because my roots, shawty, she kind of fuzzy. But hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. If you have not come here, this is Coming Full Circle with Kaya. If you're new here today, please just go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Also hit the notification bell so you know when I post a new video. If you are not new, thank you for waiting 4 months for this update. Oh, but yeah, basically, so I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I actually filmed month 4, 5, and 6 3 times, but I didn't like the content of either of them. So you wait till I start filming to get in my window. Bubba's behind the camera, y'all. Bubba, why you wait until I start filming to get in my video? Making all this noise. You better stop making all this noise. So in 6 days, it makes me being 7 months locked, and I thought this would be a nice video to do. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I'm gonna prepare to wash my hair, the things I use to wash my hair, and then I'm also gonna make this a vlog. I'm gonna go ahead and show you my hairstylist. Her name is Chanel. Shout out to Chanel. I'm gonna put her Instagram handle here at Microlocs. If you guys are in the DMV area, she is located in DC, and I don't know if she's accepting clients at this point in time, so y'all can just hit her up. But yeah, I'm gonna take you along the way, and she was kind enough to let me vlog the process of me getting my hair retied, so I will go ahead and show you guys that a little bit later on in the video. But as of right now, I'm just gonna show you how I braid and band my hair to wash it. As far as the products go, I'm gonna show you what I use. So this is the first thing I use. This is the Suave Clarifying Shampoo. I got this from Walmart, probably $2. I think you can get this anywhere, CVS, Target, Walgreens, any drugstore. In another video, if you guys want to see how I actually wash my hair, comment down below and I'll make that video for you. I go ahead and make sure I get a thorough clean. So what I use is Bragg's apple cider vinegar. This is the one with the mother in it. I mix that in with some baking soda. So these two products combined, I will go ahead, braid and band my hair. I pour the baking soda directly on my scalp, and I use a little bit of water, and I mix it in to make a paste, and then I pour the apple cider vinegar on top. I let it fuzz up, and I soak my head in my sink full of lukewarm water. Do not wash your hair in scalding hot water. All you're doing is messing up your hair follicles. So that's what I will do for my hair, and then I rinse it out and I'm done. And I just go to her, she does my hair, and I have clean hair. So this is gonna be a quickie. I'm just gonna show you guys how I braid and band my hair. I'm gonna speed through this video. If you guys like it, please comment, like, and subscribe. I will see you at the next part, which is probably gonna be, what's today, Friday? I'll see you guys tomorrow morning when I arrive at my loctician's place, and I will show you when I get set up how I'm gonna get my hair done. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take you through what I do to get my hair braided and banded. Never want to manipulate your hair on dry hair, so just go ahead and mist your hair up so it's a little bit damp, and get yourself some rubber bands. You can use clear rubber bands, or you can use these black rubber bands I have here. So I'm just going to take random sections in my hair and start braiding it. What I'm showing you here is when you start to braid your hair, you want to give yourself some room at the base of your hair so that you can get your product worked in. That would be your shampoo, if you condition your hair, whatever. So when I start braiding it down, I give myself a little bit of room. Braid down the shaft of my hair, just not too tight but not too loose. And then when I get to the very tips of my hair, I'll twist it up. To keep the end of my hair locked in while I'm washing it, bend up your hair and fold it over so it looks like this little loop here. And then I'll just go ahead and rubber band the end of my hair about 5-6 times till it's tight but not too tight. If you missed that, I will go ahead and show you that again on the other side. So again, section out the hair you want. Use your finger to give yourself some space at the base of your hair. You see, that's enough space so I can get the shampoo and the water in. Braid your hair down, twist at the very end, and then fold up the end of your hair until it forms a loop. And this is just going to make sure that none of your ends come out. Alright, we got a lot of hair to do, so let's get to it. So this is my hair completely finished, and I'm going to go ahead and show you from the both side views and the back view. I look crazy. My little hair winging. We got hang time. All right, guys, so I have 16 braids in my hair, and I banded them with rubber bands, as you just saw. And this is how I'm actually going to wear my hair. I'm actually about to go home to Maryland, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap a scarf around my head, and then I'm gonna wash my hair later on tonight. But this is all I'm gonna do to my hair for now. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, everybody. Today is Saturday, December 12th. It is 7:29 a.m. I'm about to go into my loctician salon, so I'm going to be going ahead and getting my hair done this morning. I only got 3 hours of sleep last night. It was a long story, but I'm quite tired, so I have my hair under a bonnet. After I washed it last night in those braids, I just put this bonnet on and went to sleep at 3 a.m. this morning. So that's about it. I will see you when I get inside, and I'll introduce you guys to Chanel, and you guys will be able to see me get my hair done. All right, bye. All right, y'all, so we be rocking when I get my hair done, and there was a whole bunch of copyright music going on in the background, so I had to mute this clip. But I was just telling you guys how far we got so far into my hair, and this is Chanel at Microlocs. Everyone go follow her page just to see her dope work. I'm not going to go ahead and talk through the rest of these clips unless I need to, but you can go ahead and see the progress thus far and just enjoy the process. Alright, so I did want to talk to you guys about this part back here. I do have some slippage in my hair, and it's really only in the nape of my hair just because my hair is so soft. The right side and the middle portion of my nape actually started locking my last retie, thank goodness, but this left side is not rocking with me. So I believe this was honestly about 3 locks here that she split into 2 because the one just wasn't cooperating. So as you're seeing here, she's actually reestablishing this lock back here with her fingers. And again, this is about 2 locks that she's making into 1, but it still looks nice. And when she's done, she's going to go ahead and transition to her locking tool to actually finish it off. Look, I don't know what we'd be laughing at, but Chanel be having me laughing at 8 in the morning. Like, I be dying. We be having a good time. She's really a good vibe. So honestly, she's really dope. Y'all check her out. I'm not just saying that. She didn't pay me for any of this. I like when I rock with somebody, I rock with somebody, and she really did a good job on my hair. I love the way she does my hair. But again, yeah, so I'll go ahead and stop talking now, but I just wanted to let you know that I do have some slippage right here in the back of my head, around the nape or the front of my hair too, right there, right above my eyebrow. You can see it's kind of loose almost down to the end, but she got me right. So by this point, you guys get the gist of how she retied my hair. This is just a clip of when we're getting up towards the top, so I could just show you guys what my parts were looking like really clean. And here I'm gonna go ahead and show you what my hair looked like when we started, and then just a few pictures and videos once we're finished. Each time I get my hair done, guys, I'm honestly shocked at how long it's growing and how fast my hair is locking. So again, this is just my 7th month update. I just wanted to bring you guys along. Month 8 will be a lot more in-depth and up-to-date. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please comment, like, subscribe, share. Leave me any feedback that you have for me, any positivity. Until we do speak again, however, I wish everyone the best. Blessings. Please stay safe and prioritize your mental health. It's very important. Have a good week.